Hey guys, Technomentary with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to force restart a stuck or frozen iPhone 14 Pro. And you can use this method on any iPhone as well on the latest iOS version. Now this method will not delete any of your personal data like photos, videos, apps, but it's something you need to do if you can't touch the screen or it's not working, frozen, unresponsive, because it doesn't need to be touching the screen when you're doing this method. So in order to do that, first thing is you're going to locate the volume up and volume down button, because we need to press and release the volume up quickly and then press and release the volume down quickly, one after another, and then hold on to the side button until the screen goes completely black and we see the Apple logo. We'll let go of that button. So I'm going to do volume up and volume down, and then I hold on to that side button just like that. Now it's going to say slide to power off, but again, you don't have to touch your screen. Just keep on holding that side button. As you can see here, I'm pressing and holding it until I see it go black, which is good. And I still keep on holding it until I see the Apple logo. At that time, I let go of it. And you may need to try this a couple times to get the hang of it. So quickly press and release the volume up, press and release the volume down, one after another quickly, and then hold on to that side button. Again, you can do this as many times as you need to until your phone is fixed. It will not delete any of your personal data. And once you're back on, you can type in your passcode and hopefully it is responsive again, unfrozen or unstuck, and you can use your iPhone and that will fix it. So keep on trying. It's just going to be volume up, volume down quickly, one after another, and then you hold on to the side button. And completely safe method to do, and you just have to do it a few times. And this is the #1 troubleshooting step that Apple recommends when it comes to fixing any software related issue and even some hardware related issue. Just simply press and release the volume up, press and release the volume down, one after another, and then hold on to that side button while you're doing it. And again, this is just shutting down the software completely by forcing it to shut down and then reloading the code and powering it back on to get your phone working again. And I hope this video was helpful. If so, please do consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.